In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select multiple rows in Smartsheet. Being able to quickly select several rows at once is really useful, especially when you're managing larger sheets. It lets you move, copy, delete, or format groups of rows much faster than working with them one at a time. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple and reliable way to select multiple rows using just your mouse and the Shift key on your keyboard. First, open your Smartsheet and make sure you're in grid view, where you can clearly see your rows listed on the left side along with their row numbers. These row numbers are what you'll use to make your selections. Start by choosing the first row you want to include. Move your mouse to the far left side of that row, over the row number. When you hover there, you'll notice that the whole row becomes highlighted. Click once on that row number to select the entire row. You should now see that row clearly selected. Next, decide which other rows you want to select in the same group. The Shift key allows you to select a continuous range of rows between your first click and your next click. On your keyboard, press and hold the Shift key. Keep it held down while you move your mouse to the last row in the range you want to select. Again, move your cursor to the row number on the far left of this last row. With the Shift key still held down, click that row number. As soon as you do this, Smartsheet will select everything from the first row you clicked to this last row, including all the rows in between. You'll see that entire block of rows highlighted. You can now release the Shift key. All of those rows remain selected, and you can perform any bulk action you need, like applying formatting, moving them to a different part of the sheet, or deleting them if necessary. If you accidentally selected the wrong range, just click once on any single row number to clear the selection and start again. Click your new starting row, hold Shift, and then click your new ending row. Remember, this method works best when the rows you want are in one continuous block. For separate, non-adjacent rows, you would use a different method, but for simple ranges, holding Shift and clicking your starting and ending rows is the fastest and cleanest approach. That's all you need to know to select multiple rows efficiently in Smartsheet using the Shift key and your mouse.